Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a dedicated training sheet on your phone, then name it clearly so you never mix clients. Once done, add columns for date, exercise, sets, reps, load, notes, and RPE so you capture what matters. Make sure offline access is enabled and share the sheet with client permissions. This avoids delays during sessions. Next, add a header row and freeze it, then enter your first session exercises directly. You'll be collecting accurate, consistent data from the first set. You now design the workout flow and add smart tools that save time. Use drop-down lists for exercise names and data validation for RPE so entries are consistent. This reduces typing on mobile. Then add formulas, SUM for total volume, average for session RPE, and a percent change formula to track progress. Once set, duplicate the template sheet for AMRAP or strength days, and make sure conditional formatting highlights PRs. This gives instant visual feedback. You finish by logging session results as soon as a set ends, because timely entries keep data reliable. Once recorded, create weekly snapshot tabs and share them with clients. Protect ranges for programs you don't want changed. If something goes wrong, like sync or permission issues, first toggle offline mode and force a refresh, then reshare the link or check owner permissions. Finally, archive old weeks to keep the sheet fast. Archive preserves history without slowing mobile edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.